Good morning, 5th class students. Today we will start the topic adding watermark from lesson number 4, page number 46. So look at your book, page number 46, watermark. Watermark can be defined as a dim or faded impression of an image or text on paper which is placed behind the text in your documents. So sometimes students you want that some text should be come behind your text. आपने कोई पेज पे कुछ लिखा है, आप चाहते हो उसके पीछे आप कोई कंपनी का लोगो या कुछ भी आप दिखाना चाहते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल you can see your book page number 106 and 107 and there are at the back of the book Kips is written. So that is watermark effect. It is coming in light color, so it is faded impression you can say. So this is watermark. So watermark has a word has a gallery of watermarks to choose from, or you can create your own customized watermark such as company logo for the document. So आप भी वर्ड के अंदर खुद भी कुछ ऐसे वाटर मार्क्स बना सकते हो. यू कैन राइट योर नेम और यू कैन राइट योर कंपनी लोगो, और word has already some pictures are there, some text is there already present there. You can choose from there also. Let's do it practically. So open the document in which you want to create a watermark. आप word का document खोलो पहले. first open Microsoft Word where you want to insert the insert. Then you will click on the page layout tab. So here we have clicked on the page layout tab, and in the page layout tab in the page background group click on the watermark option. So here this is the option watermark. Click on this option watermark and then select the, so when you click on the watermark then a drop down menu will appears. Then click on the custom watermark option. So here is one option, custom watermark option. Then the text will appears like this way. You can click on the text watermark here, then click on the custom watermark, then clear text, and then you have to write the text what you want to give. Like if I have written here Kips, then it will show the Kips. Then from here you can select the font, any font and size from here, or the color also you can choose from here like this one. Then click on apply, then OK, then close. Then you can see the text which you have written applied, it has come like this way. So this is your watermark option. Now next student, if in place of watermark, look at your book page number 48. if in place of watermark you want to print any image, अगर आप चाहते हो कि कोई image आ जाए उसके पीछे, okay, पेज के पीछे, then what you have to do, you have to select the picture watermark. For that purpose first you have to create a new page, like new file. I have, then click on blank document, click on create, then click on the page layout tab and then watermark. From here you have to select from the custom watermark option picture watermark. Here you will select the picture, then select picture. So the picture which is present in your computers, from there select any picture, like this picture I have selected. Then click insert button, click on insert button, then select the picture. It will come, the address of the picture will come here. Then click on apply, then OK, then close. Then the picture will come in the मिडल ऑफ योर पेज. आपके पेज के ऊपर ऐसे बैकग्राउंड पे आपको लाइट सी पिक्चर दिखाई देगी. ओके, सो दिस इज योर इंसर्टिंग पिक्चर एज वाटरमार्क. नाउ स्टूडेंट, योर नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज applying borders and shading. So to improve the appearance and legibility of the text, legibility स्पष्ट रूप से आपको अच्छी तरह दिखाई दे टेक्स्ट, और आपके टेक्स्ट की अपीयरेंस अच्छी दिखे हो, तो उसके साथ पे आप बॉर्डर लगा देते हो आसपास. ठीक है, सो वी कैन ऐड वैरायटी ऑफ बॉर्डर्स एंड शेडिंग इफेक्ट्स टू द पैराग्राफ्स एंड द एंटायर पेज. आप पैराग्राफ्स के ऊपर अलग से बॉर्डर्स भी लगा सकते हो या पूरे पेज के ऊपर भी लगा सकते हो बॉर्डर्स. So for this first we have to select the text. So write some text in your Word document. Like this is your Word document. I will take one new page again here to show you how to apply borders and shading. So we write something here like welcome in the computer class Okay, so this is the text. First we write, select the text and then on which we want to apply border. So first I will apply, select the text. I will change its size also from here so you can see it clearly. Then I will change its color also. Okay, then select the text and then click on the paragraph. Select the text, click on the drop down next to the border and shading buttons in the paragraph group on the home tab. This is a paragraph group. There is one button, borders and shading, in the last. Click on this one button, then the border and shading dialog box appears on the screen. Now set the border style. So from here you can select the setting of the border style, any border. Then you can select the, from here you can select the style, like this style, or then you can select the color also, like yellow I have selected here. Then you can choose any color. Okay, then select the color. Okay, then okay, any other color we can select also, like green. Then select the width also, up to which width you want. Then after doing this, click on OK button. So you can see the border has come around your text. Now next, your last option is inserting cover page. So students, when you are making a document file, you want that your first page of the cover of your file should be attractive or good. So MS Word provides a gallery of pre-designed cover pages. To add cover pages to your document, click on the Insert tab in the Pages group and select the cover page. So let's do it practically. See here, we will click on the, first we will click on the inserting cover page. We will select some another page, this one. Okay, I will select. Now I want the cover page. Insert, click on the Insert tab, Pages group. In the Pages group there is cover page option. Click on this option and select any cover of your choice. कोई भी आप cover ले सकते हो, okay, of your choice. Then select the cover and then that cover page will come on your screen. Then you can type the text here in the cover page. यहाँ पे आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो अपने को, like your name, what the topic of your file, and type your document here. After doing this one, we'll click here and then you can replace your text here. इसमें आप अपना नाम लिख सकते हो. So what is the cover page? Cover page पे जो भी आपकी फाइल के बाहर का कवर होता है, फर्स्ट पेज if you want to make attractive, then you can use this insert cover page option and then you can write your text here. So this is your lesson number 4. Do it practically, revise it carefully. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the computer WhatsApp computer group also, or you can send message me also through your school app. Thank you students. Have a nice day.